if you're somebody that does not like to work out like that, but you know that you need to get in shape, I got a simple and effective way that you can get some kind of physical activity in without having to spend hours at the gym or commit to some diet plan or some workout plan. So every other day, set you an alarm on your phone. I know everybody got a smartphone or smart device some kind of way. Set you an alarm on your device, and once that alarm goes off, I want you to do 100 jumping jacks, 50 push-ups, 50 squats. You can do it every other day. You can do it every 2 days, every other 2 days. You can do it every day, and that way you're getting something in. Like I said, it's not a lot, but again, your strength training in there, you're getting your cardio in there for your upper and your lower body. So if you're somebody that needs some kind of physical activity, hey, just try it. Like I said, it's something. It shouldn't take you that long, and it's not anything crazy to where it's like you got to do 100 jumping jacks straight or 50 push-ups straight. Just count, like break it up into sets of 5 push-ups, sets of 5 squats, or sets of 10 push-ups, sets of 10 squats. You can break it up however you want to break it up. But that's a simple way that you can get some kind of physical activity in, and not have to spend hours at the gym or 30 minutes at the gym or whatever your reserve is for not wanting to work out or go to the gym. Try it. Let me know what you think. And also, if you're somebody that doesn't like to go to the gym, I'm gonna leave a playlist in the description for some home workouts that you can do that take less than 5 minutes, that require no equipment whatsoever. But the whole point of it is getting in shape, making it convenient for you, and getting right. So if you're that person, try out that playlist, set that alarm, do what you gotta do. It ain't that hard to get in shape. I'll catch you on the next one.